You are now watching Showbiz Snob, your daily showbiz update. Sa wakas ay pinangalanan na nga ni Congresswoman Claudine Bautista ang kanyang mga naging hakbang kung bakit nga ba nagdesisyon ang asawa niya at sina ng pamilya niya na kasuhan ang aktor na si Enchong D. Narito ang naging pagbabahagi ng Lionheart TV article. Claudine Bautista, Lim Shu, and Chung Di for cyber libel, netizens show support for the kapamilya actor. Congresswoman Claudine Bautista Lim filed a cyber libel complaint against Enchong D at the Office of the Provincial Prosecutor in Davao Occidental on August 23, 2021. Dito inisplika ni Bautista kung bakit nga ba kailangan niya na mag-file ng nasabi nga pong kaso o cyber libel sa aktor na si Enchong D. Bautista Lim is the representative of the Drivers United for Mass Progress and Equal Rights of Damper Party List. This happened after they maligned the congresswoman for her extravagant wedding with Jose Fred Strucker Lim at Balisin Island Club Resort in Polillo, Quezon on July 28, 2021. As stated in her civil libel complaint, Bautista Lim revealed that she was astonished after receiving text messages and private messages from her family and friends. She was informed that D. Agot Isidro Pokwang and OG Diaz called her out on social media due to her extravagant wedding. Sabi niya, true enough, when I checked their Twitter's accounts through my husband's legal counsel, they each lambasted me for my wedding. This they did even if I do not know them personally. I have no personal or professional dealings with them in the past or present. Yet, they have the audacity to post something against me based only on hearsay. None of them were present at my wedding. They nor a privy to the expenses for my wedding. Yet they had attacked me as if they had personal knowledge of the expense for my wedding. She also explained that she is not usually attending parties and gatherings that may attract the attention of the public. Bautista Lim said she never expected she would receive libelous remarks from the actor Enchong D. Dagdag pa niya, there is not even a speck of a reason for them to attack me for celebrating a once-in-a-lifetime and a childhood dream wedding of every little girl. Truth be told, it was even a private ceremony not meant for public consumption or feasting. No media outfits were even present to flaunt or publish the ceremony as the same was strictly private. It was only for my and my husband's loved ones, families, and close friends to enjoy and remember. The congresswoman stated that she was accused of being corrupt and insensitive by the actor. She stated Enchong D even went as far as saying that I used public coffers to fund my wedding by categorically saying that the money for commuters and drivers went to her wedding to the detriment and injury to my honor and name. I humbly submit that I am a representative of Damper PTDA, a party list which gives voice, assistance, and aid to public utility drivers and commuters as well in the House of Congress. The posts were meant nothing more than their malicious intentions of maligning my person, depicting me as a corrupt public official. All the readers of the post, especially those from Mindanao and those from the House of Congress, would identify me as the subject of the malicious imputation. In this case, there is no doubt that the posts of Enchong D and female netizen were published as they were posted through their respective Twitter accounts. The posts were widely read by my loved ones, family, friends, relatives, and the general public, not just locally but worldwide. Bautista Lim claimed that D was not truly sorry when he apologized to her on August 18, 2021 on Twitter. He was not sorry to me and for the damage that he has done. He just wants to deflect, albeit unsuccessfully, this criminal charge against him. This does not do any good for him. It only bolstered and magnified his admission of guilt beyond reasonable doubt for his unprovoked and baseless libelous remarks. After damaging my name, dignity, and honor, Enchong Di, realizing this forthcoming criminal charge, attempted to unscramble a scrambled egg, so to speak, by removing his original post and tweeting the following apology on Twitter. At the end of her statement, Bautista Lim is asking a fine for the moral damages worth of 500 million pesos and exemplary damages amount to 500 million pesos to make the incident deterrent. Meanwhile, they received overwhelming support from the netizens following this incident. Here are some of their reactions. May mga netizen na pumabor kay Enchong Di at sa mga kapamilya star na talaga namang very open na sinasabi ang kanilang nararamdaman, may mga netizen naman din ang pumabor kay Congresswoman Claudine Bautista. Anila dapat lang nagawin ito dahil ang reason nga ni Bautista, wala sila sa kasal, hindi nila alam ang nangyari para sabihin ang mga bagay na yun. Malinaw na ito ay isang panghusga. Isang bagay na hindi palalampasin nga ng nasabing congresswoman dahil na rin sa damages at sa iba't ibang text messages na natanggap niya mula sa kanyang relatives, kapamilya at kaibigan na wala siyang kaalam-alam na ang kanyang pangalan ay na-drag dahil lamang sa isang tweet ng aktor at sa ilang tweet ng mga aktres at mga celebrities na ito. Well, sabi nga ng ilan, dapat daw ay kasuhan din sila Agon, itong si OG Diaz at si Pokwang matapos nga na maikwento ni Claudine na isa sila sa nag-tweet about sa kanyang extravagant wedding. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Ano ang masasabi nyo sa ating artikulo kayo na ito? Sa palagay nyo ba ay may laban si Enchong Di about dito? Ilagay ang inyong opinion dito sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners and thank you for watching Showbiz Now.